Hello all, I am Dr. Karthika from Department of Biomedical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this April 2025 lecture series, we are discussing about electrical wiring and safety in electric circuits and electron devices. And today we are going to discuss about circuit breakers, MCB, ELCB, electronic fuses. I have a question for you all. What do you mean by this circuit breaker? Why do we need circuit breakers in electrical wiring and circuits? Actually, circuit breaker is a kind of device which can control means either make or break a circuit manually or automatically under normal and faulty conditions. Break a circuit automatically under fault conditions like overcurrent, short circuit are the main operations of circuit breaker. See the circuit breaker symbols. We have four types are commonly used: type A, type B, type C and type D. Okay, we have so many types of circuit breakers. The first and foremost thing is MCB. MCB is nothing but miniature circuit board. Actually, it is designed to turn off electrical circuits automatically under faulty conditions. Fault conditions means overload or short circuit. Here, MCB is considered as more sensitive than an electronic fuse, and here the trip characteristics may not be adjusted in MCB. Actually, the working principle is based on thermal or thermal magnetic operation, and mostly MCB is used for low current circuits. MCB is normally used for home wiring systems. Generally, it is used where normal current is less than 100 amps. See the diagram of MCB, miniature circuit board, miniature circuit breaker. See here. See the diagram. Here we have so many components in miniature circuit breaker MCB. First one is latch, solenoid, switch, plunger, incoming terminal, arc shuts holder, arc shuts, dynamic contact, fixed contact, DIN rail holder, outgoing terminal, bimetallic strip carrier, and also we have bimetallic strip. By using these components, we can either break or make a circuit with the help of MCB automatically. Mainly it is used in home wiring systems. Okay, and the construction of MCB and the elements are MCB are: first one is main contacts, and the second thing trip unit and terminals, housing, trip indicator, auxiliary contacts and trip spring. Main contacts. What is the purpose of main contacts in MCB is these are all responsible for to carry the load current and which is connected to the incoming and outgoing wires of the circuit. And trip unit, this is the core component of MCB which monitors the current flowing through the circuit and trips the breaker in case of an overcurrent or short circuit. And terminal is used for incoming and outgoing wires which is connected in terminal. Housing, it is a protective casing and it provides insulation between live parts and other electrical components. We know that very well. And trip indicator, and MCB typically has a visual indicator that shows whether the breaker is on or in off position. It is more like a switch. Auxiliary contacts, some MCBs have additional contacts that can be used to switch auxiliary loads or provide signaling functions. And trip spring, this is a spring mechanism. It holds the MCB contacts in on position. When the trip unit operates, the trip spring releases, allowing the contact to separate and break the circuit. See the working, see the diagram. When the current is overflowing through the MCB, the bimetallic strip gets heated and deflects by bending. This deflection of bimetallic strip releases a latch. See here. See the diagram. The latch causes the MCB to turn off by stopping the current flow to the circuit. Actually, this process helps safeguard for appliances, home appliances and devices from the hazards of overload or overcurrent. See the diagram. Contacts are closed in the first diagram. Here we have load, bimetal element, magnetic element, trip bar, latch and contacts closed with the line. In the second one, the contacts are open. When the current overflow through the MCB, bimetallic strip gets either open or closed. Okay, see here. the working of MCB. To restart the current flow, MCB must be turned on manually. In any short circuit conditions, in an unpredictable way, it leads to electromechanical displacement of a plunger associated with the solenoid. This plunger hits the trip lever, which causes the automatic release of the latch mechanism by opening the circuit breaker contacts. An MCB is a simple, easily operable device, and it has free maintenance, and it can be easily replaced. And the trip unit of the key part of MCB, which is the main element which controls the operation of MCB. Here the bimetal element present in MCB circuit, it protects against the overload current, and the electromagnet in the circuit protects the short circuit current. Okay, and here we have so many types of MCB, and in this types we have ELCBs, electronic fuses, and we'll discuss about ELCBs and electronic fuses in next class. Thank you.